Hi, everybody. Let's say I wanted to do a program where KIBO goes forward and then turns and goes around maybe an object like my cell phone over here. So I'll put my cell phone over there. Here's KIBO. I want it to go out here, turn, and go around my cell phone. I'm going to bring it back here a little bit so you can see KIBO. All right, so I'm going to do forward, turn, and then I have begin and end on either side. Okay, here we go. Begin, forward, turn right, and end. So I'm expecting KIBO to go forward, turn right, and then go around my cell phone. So go here, forward, turn right. Wait, why didn't it go forward? It was supposed to go forward, turn right, and keep going around my cell phone. Oh, I know what happened. When it turned right, there's nothing in the program after turn right. I need to tell KIBO what to do over here. I have an idea. I'm going to tell it to go forward after it turns, and I have a trick for doing that. So I'm going to scan begin, scan forward, scan turn right. Now I want it to go forward again after it turns right. So I'm going to put the forward block over here and scan it again. I might scan it twice actually. So it's going to go forward 2 times after it turns. Okay. And then I'm going to end. So let's see what happens now. Remember, I did begin, forward, turn right, and then I scanned forward, and then I stopped. Let's see what happens. Forward, turn right, forward, forward. Wow, that works. So the trick here is whenever I want KIBO to do something, I have to put a block in the program to tell it to do it. Now, I can have it go forward lots of times and turn lots of times. I just have to keep scanning it in. So watch this. Let's say I want to go forward, begin, forward, forward, turn, turn, forward, forward, end. KIBO's ready. What's going to happen this time? Forward, forward, turn, 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 turn. Oh my gosh, it might come back to me. Let's see what happens. Forward, forward, turn, turn. It's coming back to me. It did 2 turns that time and then 2 forwards to come back. Okay, so these are some ways that you can use the blocks by scanning them more than once to create motion for KIBO. Okay, good luck everybody. Bye-bye.